people on.
Cowboy dance.
Back to round 2 of Turkey Tag, featuring Dustin. Guess what? I'm it. Again. And I'm sorry I don't have my stabilizer, so we're just going old school this round. Oh. Ow! No. No, I just busted my elbow. Oh. Okay. Okay, that really hurt. Don't be old and trying to jump on a trailer. I'm gonna fake it. Like I'm really hurt. So maybe they'll go slow. My leg and my elbow. Oh, my hip. I think I broke my hip. I can definitely not run. Let me soak up some Boost real quick. Okay, we got 3 over here and 1 over there. Let's go for the close turkeys.
I'm stuck.
This turkey's hurt. There's a rock. I almost tripped on it. Whew, I got 1 turkey. Oh, use that Boost. Got him. I touched a tree and I sucked up the tree's juice. Fine, I got me a stick now. Keep the Mustang. Oh. Sneaky. There ain't no timeout in Turkey Tag. Ooh, it's kind of chilly today. What's Cullen doing? Oh, I think he's hiding.
I was trying to hide. Like you did last time. You were going for that one.
Ouch! Gosh dang it. Why you guys got all this out? Why is my hammer out?
All of them.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed that Turkey Tag with featuring Dustin, thanks Dustin for coming and hanging out with the boys. They really enjoyed it. Please smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And as always, drop those comments down below. Let us know what fun games you play with your friends or your kids. Whatever the case may be, let us know down below. Have a great day, and we will catch you in the next video.